everybody. I'm Greg Stock. I'm the CEO of Thibodaux Regional Health System. It's my pleasure today to introduce Dr. Russ Parks. Dr. Parks is an orthopedic surgeon with additional training and fellowship training specifically in spine surgery. This morning we want to do an introduction, or ask Dr. Parks if he would do an introduction to get to know him better. Tell us about yourself.
Thanks for having me, Greg. Yes, again, Russell Parks, new orthopedic surgeon here in Thibodaux and with a specialty in spine surgery. I grew up in Alabama but went to LSU for my undergrad and stayed in Louisiana since. I have family here in South Louisiana as well, so it's always been a second home to me. Went to my undergrad at LSU, followed that with my medical school in Shreveport, and then went to New Orleans for my residency, and finally went up to Brown University for my fellowship in spine surgery.
Great training. How many years is an orthopedic residency?
Yeah, so residency in orthopedics, where we train everywhere from the foot to the hand to sports injuries to spine surgery, is 5 years long. So I did 5 years in New Orleans at Ochsner for my orthopedic residency.
So 5 years of beyond medical school, which is 4 years, it's a lot of training by itself.
I chose the residency that I went to based on mainly that. Not only did they have a very diverse group of staff to train their residents, but it was very hands-on from an early stage to get you ready to be in practice, be in the OR, as well as clinic-based, keeping people out of the OR, treating them non-operatively training.
So then you did the fellowship at Brown University, as you mentioned, and the fellowship was more focused on spine care. Do you want to talk about that for a moment?
Correct. So I did my fellowship training up at Brown, where they have multiple staff there leading, industry pushes, leading minimally invasive spine surgery all the way to big deformity surgery. I was able to train with them specifically in spine surgery to hone my skills in all those areas, from the non-operative treatment modalities that we have to the surgeries themselves.
Yeah, so that's a lot of training, and you finished that recently and came to Thibodaux, right?
Yes.
And you're part of the OrthoLA group of orthopedic surgeons. Now there's about 9 of you guys, girls, and huge practice, done exceptionally well, practice has, and you're going to do very, very well here, I'm sure, I feel certain. So Dr. Russ Parks, newest orthopedic surgeon here, trained beyond the regular residency for orthopedic surgery with a fellowship in spine surgery. Welcome, Dr. Parks.
Thank you.